Yo gogo ibandlo tech fula la inyiko athuzeli ukuzocula la fokol stress ithi lakta phana cash loku popul fresh niggas ngakayina next mara so cool ngisika blind and unkhohlul that's why in randa speaker grind
Rashap ready o atlang well sanibonani dumelang abusheni hellos, this is me your man DJ Salty. Actually ke nyaka thomo khatha DJ ke the Salty. Well bona, welcome to episode 9 ya Scamto. I think ela e fitileng le bone and you saw what was happening. Re toucha ke ntwe go botsang yona hore na re toucha ditori tsa batho, we're not touching on you. And whatever we talk about more allegedly. So welcome, sit back, relax, and bona tima radio, tima whatever edin mopila how tshwara cold drink, juice or coffee, sit next to the table or on top of your couch o shebe. Nna le wena re mo kaofela. Welcome.
Hi, darling.
How are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
Excellent.
Welcome, everybody, to Iskamto. I'm back in your faces like I never left, honey. Always going with the lady of the house. Our Spoko is in the house. Okay, but we're back, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and remember to hit that notification bell, darlings, and stay with us, and we're gonna keep you tuned with every delicious hot topics on the blogs.
Utrile, there was a comment someone said to the previous video,
We are being racist.
we are being racist.
Yeah, so
I don't think we're racist.
we're not.
We're not. You can never say we are racist. Eloring, ribua, into eloring.
Everybody knows. Everybody saw.
knows. I understand. Pela, Scamto, I mean, polygamy. It's
Yeah.
what happening. It's in South Africa. Understand? Mota, aba le basadi ba date. We're not being racist. It's you. Maybe they feel or the way you said Zulus are not good in English. It's fact. That's
But
how
it's
it
a
is.
fact. Zulus can speak English.
That's
Intabayaziyo Gitano Tonozan Lalmaskandi Nomnyamentoko Nomsop English Jolon. So we're not being racist, just stating facts that you guys don't know English.
Yeah, no, that's true.
But
That's
to be
true.
honest, not all Zulus are educatorally inclined. You know, if you can check the woman population of Zulus, they do know how to speak English and a proper English. And yeah, if you can put Zulu no Xhosa here and say speak English, yeah, you can tell the difference.
So tell me, is it something that's happening in KwaZulu or in? Because if you say women, a lot of women ke bona ba ile hore ba tseba English. So you're trying to tell me hore ke setso sa bona sa hore banna mama Zulu
Yeah.
aba ba tlo kena school.
Yeah. Mutayaziyo maqeda grade 3, grade 7 it takes.
Yeah, no, it's true. No, that's true.
But then, if you could notice, if you can go to MTN taxi rank and ask maybe 5 of them, they will tell you directly, I'm in school and it's standard 6,
Yeah,
standard
truly.
7.
And this,
And you can tell they know money. Zulus prefer they prefer something that they can see.
yeah, chelete yona
They
ba
prefer
itseng.
something that they can see.
Yeah, chelete
If
yona
they
ba-
can't see
I
education,
won't even lie to you, ne? Zaga, it's in their hand.
it's in their
Understand?
hand, yeah.
Business, I think they grow in that mentality.
Yeah.
Ya hore, ukhula
Indoda mele
indoda.
provide.
That's a good thing. Understand? It is a good thing. But like now, we need, as I was talking last time, we need a general knowledge.
Yeah,
Understand?
yeah.
Hence, it's being rude. You date a Zulu guy and you say, like, Big Zulu was in the interview.
Yeah.
He kept on asking Saul,
Translator.
awukhulume ngesintu, you understand? Why do they believe ukuthi isiZulu ke language ela important more than
Listen,
everyone's language?
listen. It's not about them thinking Ogoba Zulu is much more important than other languages. Ne, bakhule kanjalo. They were raised like that. Hore, you know what? As a Zulu person, mena usiqhenye your background, usiqhenye ukuthi vele mina ngumZulu, and you cannot change anything about it. You cannot change anything about or Muzulu kile Zulu. Muzulu akaya esikolong today ne. and a full essay. They must write essay in English and Zulu. Also pass Zulu with level 7 distinction.
I think they were taught to preserve culture more than their language.
Mm-hmm.
But they might lose it. That's why they prefer speaking other languages.
Yeah. If you can check me, I'm Sotho, but you won't find me taking when a closer person is around. Ngizosithetha isiXhosa and ngizosithetha isiXhosa and there's nothing that I can do about it because I'm around abantu bathetha isiXhosa.
Yeah.
I prefer if I'm equally with everybody so that we can speak the same language and have the same understanding. Because when I used to date Zulus, they usually ask me, why do you prefer to speak English? English is the most commonly used language. I can go to Canada now. They will understand what I'm saying in English. I don't have to speak Spanish. I don't have to speak Portuguese. As long as I'm English literate, everybody can understand.
So it's I would say, yeah, it sounds somehow, because if we say now, okay, my question, we're coming to Big Zulu. Big Zulu. How did Big Zulu get a contract? Yeah, Cavella. Those guys are Italians and stuff. Where else had service? And I'm wondering or now communicate because they come, you people, if you get your sponsors, you meet them in the boardroom, obviously. Who are Big Zulu, you are welcome. We are from Italy. We are your obvious fan. What do you understand? We want you to advertise. Then who was there to translate? It's a problem. You spoke, yes. You say what?
When it comes to Big Zulu or Java, they know English.
So you say more Big Zulu, like Baba arrogant.
Yeah, they're actually proud with their culture. They're proud. It's pride.
No. I understand or pride. I understand or it's pride. I wanna pride. Think you never dirang more ba it's so. Mara now, what I don't like is that for them, language it's not a language. You understand?
That's arrogance.
That's how arrogance enters the picture.
No man, it's a problem, Joe. You can't be.
How is it a problem?
If you are a baby, if you are a baby, go to the taxi rank. Or you are looking for a taxi. Dumela. Bo akukhuluma isintu. Kanti is getting into special Zulu Sabu. What can they tell us about their language speciality?
They'll tell you about Shaka Zulu.
Who's Shaka Zulu?
Yeah.
Who's Shaka Zulu?
They'll tell you about Shaka Zulu. And they usually always say, Nina Amazulu. That time was trappers. But you forget by your leaders. That time was some slabber with a mirror. So
this is what they say. It's hearsay. This is what happened. You understand?
But they're very proud of their culture. I don't think
it's fine. Well, I'm not saying anything. You understand? What I'm saying, Kuri, I'm happy Kuri Barata culture. They mustn't find other people's culture.
They mustn't be it or other
baska hatella any other cultures. You understand? Yes. To a lot. And then they'll tell you, window. What I say, talk. Window. Window.
Why are you sitting like that?
No, they're like that.
Why are you sitting like that?
Problem, whatever they do, banally reaction at the actor.
The way know when I'm teaching them, there's this squad by pizza comedy. I'm a being, straight Zulus hard-headed.
Wait, it's calling.
I'm a being, and then when you do how about doing seeds and about as in scissors, and I'm like, yo, Jehovah, that's a lame one.
School.
School. And then, do you know the size of brain which they make school trousers for the then bakeng ya ka di-secret socks tse white, then ha ba apare di-jeans bakeng ya vest e white ka mo hare, they look very neat.
Mara ba tonuza. Why ba tonuza?
Ke re ba tsena ka class ba betse maskandi.
Why ba tonuza? Like why tshantse ba tonuza? No. A man was made to walk straight kahle. Nina bafazi, that's why uNkulunkulu gave you bums so that nizotonuza. So what do you mean more indoda uhamba wathi usikakela or something? It's not healthy. No, we be like this. They must be told. No, it's young qualities. No, like to be honest, that's why God is punishing us. I'm telling you. No. A lot of things are happening. You understand? That's why God is punishing us. You understand? We cried about e-cotton. Muthu wa nka tjhelete ya bo maoledi a itabola eng. Where is e-cotton manje? They are nowhere to be found.
E-cotton, they've become what I remember I asked about it on Facebook. Ziphelele e-cotton these days. But they've now joined the Amapiano gang, and when I looked into it, and I'm like, somehow, yeah, they're there.
Yes, they are there. Wabona le yena o ba re ke mango namhlanje ngicedula. O nantsa Tos. Le yena he was one of the cottonists. Am I wrong?
The way that
No.
moves.
And then he went to Mapiano.
Yeah.
Understand? We've got other things, Eloring. It won't work. You understand?
Yeah.
But why when are we in the Utunus? Women, okay, if you're taking the way umfazi ahamba ngakhona bona umfazi uhamba
But it says shake it when you walk, and I'm like,
that's how you go. That's how you were built like that. Modimo o agile ka mokgwa.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me say my way na Poppy. Would you love me? Ngambe nawe morning number. Ngathi ngisikakela. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Fashion enjani. What's okay, you are a woman. Maybe they special banchama ngokudunuza. I don't know.
Imagine.
What is there in chama?
You know, okay, truth be told me, I have a fetish. You know what a fetish is?
Mm-hmm.
Like a man's ass, you know.
Oh my goodness.
No, my man. Small, petite, adorable. Yeah. But Amazon, they're exaggerating it. One of my times so.
So,
are you
Poppy,
trying to be a
you are
peacock?
trying to tell me orata munna wa le mara.
No, I'm not saying Kerata Munova Lemara.
O tlo dena para di paintings are what? Like I'm telling you.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like there are those body structures there. Like to have a tall and buff, then the bumps must be
A normal bum like a man.
Yeah, normal bum like
Yeah,
a
like
man.
a
Like
man.
a nice pancake.
Yo, this guy, I give him to man. Who did mara wa? Who jini sama? You went so. Can't they?
The squad king. And I'm like, nigga.
And proud to come around.
Nigga.
What the fuck is that?
And funny enough, he has 2 wives, and I'm like, oh, but satisfy Ganja.
Yeah.
Oh, but because one thing I know, like I'm a squat in a man, but if you said the dondolos, the penis goes down.
Why?
When you exercise here as a man, just know your penis will decrease. It's a known fact. It's correct. It's a known fact. You exercise here, there, bye bye.
So I want to mzala dilo tsa di dirang.
That's why there's a big fanny pack in the front.
There's
nothing there. There's nothing there.
I'm telling you. So it's a market problem. Like why? Where are our men? Where are our boys? Yeah?
Yeah.
You know this world.
Yeah,
Without these
yeah.
boys, right now we do something tailoring. Man, entertaining. Boys, men, we are entertaining.
To yourselves.
No.
To us, you only tell us sweet lies, and then right goes sweet lies.
Yes, but you know, a lot of things are happening. Like now, masculine. If a delete by Shia, they are men.
Hey,
We are entertaining, something to talk about every day. You
Let's talk
understand?
about
Men.
fidelity.
So where is our men? Batonuza, amabhinqa,
I'm a being.
and then kunana amabhinqa naman.
This is I'm a being.
So wena une boyfriend enesibunu, now unesibunu, i-competition.
Yeah. Men are right now the only
And then Kausani, uhamba swathi bese athi ngindoda. Are you a man? Ngindoda. Maramba so. Man, a gent must stand. Do I understand?
They give themselves
Yeah,
a
a gent. Be a gent. Do you understand? We out. You are one. You want to kanjan. You know. I. No.
And you know,
We don't do that.
you know, my taste
Do
in
you
men,
know?
my taste in men is very funny. I remember I was telling people that, you know, in my men, umuntu must be tall, must be a bit chubby. You know, funny enough, people, one thing they don't understand, they tend to underestimate them, is men that have umkhaba. They like to underestimate them. They are packing.
Packing what?
Right.
They're packing
Men.
what?
Men with umkhaba.
But it's on.
They are packing.
They're packing
Ah,
They're
what?
packing.
Where are they packing?
No, I get it. I get it's been hidden by umkhaba. Mara. It must be umkhaba loyal. What's smelling you believe the man, you know. Must be a very nice sugar daddy umkhaba.
Being nice.
Like everything. Like, it's just that
A pregnant man.
my man, it's just that you don't understand my fetish, bro. Like, Maula living got an umkhaba. Yeah, Sana, yeah, so comfortable.
So I'm like now I'm a little bit lost because Masadi accepts about Linyaka. Anyone has 6 pack. Lebona
No,
mka.
not deep down. I get like a 6 pack. No,
Anyaka muna 6 pack.
6 pack.
Why?
Like
Women with body like you, Baba Rata will never 6 pack because Baba Reg. Yes.
I don't.
Spoke or we like it.
When I was 6 pack, what's all do so bad thing.
No.
They don't have anything.
No.
You get it all. That's Kellogg's conflict.
Yes.
You get it all. Are we see
I didn't get Kellogg's.
Are we see Malakodi in? You don't have to push them cover or anything.
I love
You don't have to look for it.
You don't have to.
Read the bed.
What do you mean you like big boys? You like guys? Can you date a guy with a body like you?
Body like me? Yeah, but very nice and well shaped. Our body is, you know, you were gymming before, gymmer before, then you stopped gym, then you are now gaining weight. But it's about that too much weight. If you can look into Ghanaian men,
The Ghanaians.
Ghanaian men,
Ghanaians.
yeah,
Skaba Marine. Magana.
Magad. If you look into them, there are those that are a bit buff, but a cute buff. You know.
What do you mean? When I don't know
Wandi.
Go Zimbabwe.
Go Nigeria.
Go Nigeria.
Magana, I don't want to go to Nigeria. I prefer Congo. Congolese are nice.
And you know, I'm lost Kapopi now. I'm lost Kapopi. Popi, I see my Kosa. Axate, but no say
My man, when you come to Ghanaians, I'm talking about the body structure. Yeah, but if you can look into the body structure, men, sana and melt daily.
Magani.
Yes, sis.
Thoughts I want to be. Thoughts I want. Okay. Thoughts I want to be.
Yeah, this is so
I want to say that bees.
You know, that's how big buff and handsome. Most of 6 pack, don't come to me with a 6 pack. Like,
So, okay, sharp. If we talk about Popi Hankare, Muna Amoloran, you know the guy you secret admire, the guy you dream about, or that white horse. Obviously, Mona fell late.
I should paint you the picture.
Yeah, paint us the picture.
You must be tall. You must be dark. You must have a bit of a bicep here.
Okay.
Obey. You know,
Okay.
big. Let me not go for big Zulu.
Yeah.
Big
yeah.
Zulu.
Okay,
Let me not go for that. Is my
that kind.
preference.
Yeah.
Yes.
A Zulu.
Big Zulu. I'm not
Zulu.
saying what's function.
Mara, why man? It doesn't. Yeah, but unga join.
Yeah, I'm not joining.
But big.
Yeah. Not too dark, not too light. Body structure, perfect.
Number one. Yeah.
The Yonkin Doya, it's given. It's amazing. I love a man like that. I love a man like that.
Serious?
Yes, I love a man like that. I remember my current boyfriend. Yeah, he's like, baby, Mel, I'm joining Jimmy Match. I'm like, also joining Jimmy. He's like, dumb first thing in the morning. Because I love your body the way it is.
No, okay. Simplicity. You love giants. Big Zulu.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. And that's it.
Bo Chris Katongo. Those rugby kind of guys.
Yes, mama. You see how
Giants.
short I am. You know, this guy come on.
So what do you love? What turns you on, Gabo?
Come on, the top. The way they like. I feel like I'm a kid when I'm I just
So guys, don't get us wrong. We're not body shaming anyone.
No.
We just do understand. We're not doing that. But we're not bad. We're not talking badly about you. Milwa na lingona usmart. Maram kaba. It's not healthy. It's not natural. Wait, rekaso gweri if you are naturally born like that. You understand? That one, no, we won't touch. Mara whatever mkaba, you have to go to the gym. They are seen to naturally ill. Low carb swabisa, we don't care.
No, I feel offended because you don't have.
Yeah, that's to gym.
Hell no, the fuck.
It's bad.
I'm gonna get myself a BBL.
It's bad if you talk about something. What's that? You laughing more to outside you are she or you was born like that. You understand?
Yeah,
I don't cover give the snack, give the what.
And then, you know, funny enough, when I was young, I used to be. I didn't have makeup.
No, this is.
I was. What baby said? Slim thick. I was a slim thick hand when I was.
No, it's not size level stumbana. This stumbana, you know, when we say no to kiss stumbana, we call it like she's fresh.
Yeah.
No, like fresh.
No.
No, like jup nyana.
You know, like
fully fresh, yeah. Kama nyana.
you know. Exactly.
Yeah,
the
no.
cuteness and everything.
Yeah, no, like this stumbana.
But then now life happened. But then I'm gonna go to the gym.
Popi aka notice opera fatu kumudi matlo.
Why? This is barbaric, darling. It's kamera kifatu.
Kifatu.
Why do people say that? You're not the first person to say that. It's
It's
barbaric. Steak is very brandy, very expensive.
Yeah, channel fatu. I saw the other guy here now. Karna peru fatu. Imama.
So
No, but those it's nice. It looks proper, eh? It looks proper. Or vele rekaita dadin safatu. It looks proper. So, anyways, Big Zulu and who? Chris Katongo. I have a friend. Yeah, Chris.
and then about Sol Peluga.
Sol. What's trying to solo little Big Zulu?
No,
Solo
the type.
yeah,
I'm talking about the type, the body structure. That's Sol Peluga.
Or Rata will never so.
Big Zulu and Sol Peluga.
No, that's the new Big Zulu.
You are
Sol
confused.
Peluga. Wow, you are confused.
Okay, shut up. Big Zulu or something.
Big Zulu, isn't Sol. Sol ke balloon ke Sol. Teddy bear.
Why balloon?
Yeah,
Teddy bear.
Skupo Ashulan. Sol
Teddy bear. You know, men like that when you cuddle with them at night.
Yo, experience
You never get
experience
cold.
Experience more.
You never get cold.
Serious? But how do you cuddle? Your body is huge.
When how do you cuddle?
Now, if I get a woman like you, don't send some more. Don't feel a war. But I don't know about I never.
Ha ke robale sefubeng sa tsionyana ke robala like chesting in dot.
Hi, Bobby. Bobby got bare in. Konjo, what's that song? What sefubeng sendot? And sefubeng sendot. Why is it almost that song?
I get the pain.
You get the pain.
Yeah.
Ashumushima no amo hell what
You know,
piano pills.
you know, every time
Pounds.
every time you say hell, I think of hell twist. So next time, correct your lingo.
No piano
Pals.
pills. This boy man, this one Mushima, give him Mamukhala.
Man, you talk. Man,
What?
Tahi.
So it's in
Tahi.
it's not Tahi, like in one.
Sfiso.
Sfiso.
Later.
Monor bamu enze malo.
Oh no.
I don't know why Limpopo Korea some do this.
Oh, Ola Bufitile oh my gosh, that was so sad.
Nazanga taka ibona senior thing or maybe
What's
I think maybe Salabua Petka Limpopo boy. Ne?
No, I don't think wait. I don't think
Umoni. No, umoni. Umuthathe phela umfaceise so. Ola. Babo, ameta mo bubu boya mo level a mo dumedisa a mo fit. Mara le ena this guy uthatha di piano ke. Piano mo etazi o batlang go mapompo. Phela bo Limpopo boy ke mapompo le di stage what. Yes, mara horror vele it's no more piano pulse. Ba bolela ka everything. Ba tshwana le rena. Ba tshwana le rena. Ba kamta.
That comting.
No,
Okay.
and you say weekend then on Friday.
On Friday I was in Eastgate and some random person greeted me and I felt so appreciated.
Okay.
Eastgate, the club thing, Eastgate Mall. I forgot its name, but I was there.
Go Eastgate.
That beautiful club.
Yeah, Kevin. Yeah.
I was there Friday.
Someone called you.
Someone called me, hi Bobby. And I'm like, hi.
And then didn't you ask yourself for Ultimate?
Oh, I already knew Sana.
So that's
I already knew it. Now I'm getting to the point where my people with some mindset.
yeah, then I walk in the night sometime along. I was in Don Park Center, and then I heard someone say, "Hi, Salty." Like, hi, Mara, I come on. Mara, I level walking. I can't say really walk. You know there are people who might say that come on or guarded. I'm like,
This one,
in the darkness, I don't say.
Yeah.
That was late. But yeah, we're getting somewhere.
You're getting something.
Yeah, 100%. We're getting somewhere. So how do you feel, guy? More viewers, more.
Yo, I was excited, and when you showed me the views, and I was like, I was busy doing my assignment, and you're showing me the views, and I'm like, yo, Sana, big ups to us, big ups.
Yeah, no, let's push. Hence, I'm saying, guys, please. 100%.
Your smallest contribution makes a lot.
A lot. Because
lot.
if it's 100 views, if it's 20 views, right now we appreciate.
We appreciate everything.
And Bona.
Even the instant comments,
Whatever comment.
Because we know very well that you are looking at us, and every day you get a new story to talk about.
And we're not racist, eh?
We're not racist.
We're not racist.
So if we're not going high, you're busy sleeping on Black Label and you're thinking that we're being racist, we are not.
Yeah, keep comment. No, we're not racist. We just talk. We always say that even every episode, we always say allegedly, and also no offense. We're not racist, guys, whatever. Understand?
Yeah.
So I don't know when you say racist. I never said
like,
anyone is.
What's being racist?
I don't understand.
Does he even understand what's being racist?
Yeah, no, my guy, Zulus are Zulus, and you never change anything to
anything
the
about.
They are like that. We Asibatugi, Haraba Rowe. I don't know.
Everybody loves Zulus.
We know. We've got different. We've got Tongas. We've got Zulus. It's Tongas. It's not Shanganis.
What?
It's Tongas.
I think you went.
Shanganis.
Yeah, Shanganis and Tongas. I think two separate.
No, it's one thing. Tonga. Yeah, not Tonga. Tonga are the Shianganis.
What?
Yes.
Oh no.
No, you know why they say Shianganis? Let me tell you.
Bashinga.
Yes, that's how the Zulus they started saying that Uguti Lena Nishingani. The Amazulu. They were feeling this nickname the Shianganis. So whatever Shingani Natalia. Everybody King Yawana I don't know some maybe they're not. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, so Barma Shianganis, but they are Tongas. Amatonga. Understand?
Hi.
Yeah, so guys, we're not being racist. Anyways, from me to you, Salty, Nakere, Saifala, there's a lot to talk about. There's a lot to talk about Zelori, Kidihiti, and Little and we've got best interviews, ne? I'm telling you.
Lineups that we have right now.
Wait.
Just chill.
Relax. Amazing stories. The Zelori in the Amakata and celebrities.
Yeah.
Understand? We've got people who will be here on the platform.
Yeah.
And then talking to us, these celebrities, they were close to them. And then what happened? Ballo Leviang, and so on and so on. But
then
let's
that's
get
also for
it-
another day.
Yeah, let's get it for tomorrow. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and
Comment and share.
And
One
share.
after another out of one.
from me to you, Salty Girl. Galerata. Thank you.
Control, smack features up left and right like a console. Flex rhymes and not see a dime, not the console. Most cats dig just how I kick it. I'm infinity, more cash spending something different. Niggas used to so clap, chill, now it's business, so I'm here to take the whole stash. This just the beginning. Boys, listen, I've been gone, but all I hear's the same shit. Not missing, I've been on, and all it took was patience. Get a nickel, caught, I'm